by Omo Imobighe. The first Sunday of a new year is a great time to reflect on beginnings. The creation story reminds us that God is the ultimate creator who makes all things good and new. It sets the tone for trusting God in all things and seeing His hand in the beauty of the world and our lives. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was formless and empty, and darkness covered the deep waters. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God saw that the light was good, and He separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness night. On the second day God said, "Let there be a space between the waters, to separate the waters of the heavens from the waters of the earth," and that is what happened. God made this space to separate the waters of the earth from the waters of the heavens. God called the space sky. On the third day God said, "Let the waters beneath the sky flow together into one place so dry ground may appear," and that is what happened. God called the dry ground land and the waters seas. Then God said, "Let the land sprout with vegetation, every sort of seed-bearing plant, and trees that grow seed-bearing fruit." And that is what happened. The land produced vegetation, all sorts of seed-bearing plants, and trees with seed-bearing fruit. And God saw that it was good. On the fourth day God said, "Let lights appear in the sky to separate the day from the night. Let them be signs to mark the seasons, days, and years. Let these lights in the sky shine down on the earth." God made two great lights, the larger one to govern the day, and the smaller one to govern the night. He also made the stars. God set these lights in the sky to light the earth, to govern the day and night, and to separate the light from the darkness. On the fifth day God said, "Let the waters swarm with fish and other life. Let the skies be filled with birds of every kind." So God created great sea creatures and every living thing that scurries and swarms in the water, and every sort of bird, each producing offspring of the same kind. And God saw that it was good. Then God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply. Let the fish fill the seas, and let the birds multiply on the earth." On the sixth day God said, "Let the earth produce every sort of animal, each producing offspring of the same kind, livestock, small animals that scurry along the ground, and wild animals." And that is what happened. God made all sorts of wild animals, livestock, and small animals, each able to produce offspring of the same kind. Then God said, "Let us make human beings in our image to be like us." So God created human beings in His own image. In the image of God He created them, male and female He created them. Then God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and multiply, fill the earth and govern it." On the seventh day, God had finished His work of creation, so He rested from all His work. And God blessed the seventh day and declared it holy, because it was the day when He rested from all His work of creation.